So if I'm new to the app, if I'm coming in, I've got this, subacute, injury, and I'm out of the hospital, I'm rehabbing. How does the app know where to start me?
Yeah. So when you sign up for the program, if you're working with a therapist, generally speaking, the therapist is going to sign you up. But if you're on your own, you're one of those people we were talking about earlier, who just doesn't have access to a therapist, you can sign yourself up. But essentially, when a profile is being made for you, whether you're doing it or a therapist is doing it, you're actually walked through some questions up front, and we'll collect information as far as your age, when you had your event, what type of event you had. But I'd say to really get to kind of the meat and potatoes of your question, Kylie, we have a question that says, what are you having difficulty with? And there's a whole host of different things, and you can check off as many boxes as you need to. And from there, all the information that we ask from you, it's fed into our AI system. And there is research that we draw on from that'll make these recommendations of exercises based on, things like the types of issues you had, how long you've been dealing with these issues, whether you had a stroke or a concussion, because, generally speaking, concussion might recover faster than a stroke. Things like that. So you might be able to tolerate higher levels of difficulty compared to someone who might need to start a little bit, on the easier side. So there's a bunch of kind of behind the scenes stuff, but really the knowing what to do just comes from signing up from your profile.